Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's more exciting than your grandma's secret cookie recipe. On the left, we have the Holystone HS110D, and on the right, the Heygelo S90. Buckle up because we're about to take off. Let's kick things off with the price. The Holystone HS110D comes in at a cool $99. Meanwhile, the Heygelo S90 is strutting its stuff at a wallet-friendly $59. Who knew saving money could be this much fun? If you're on a budget and still want to impress your friends with your aerial acrobatics, Heygelo S90 is your new best friend. Moving on to the camera quality, both drones boast a 1080p HD camera. Holystone offers a 120 degrees wide-angle lens, perfect for capturing those embarrassing moments when your dog thinks it's a good idea to chase the drone. On the other hand, Heygelo gives you a bird-eye perspective, ideal for capturing beautiful aerial scenery. Reviewers generally find the camera quality of the Holystone decent for the price, while the Heygelo's camera is seen as sufficient and meets basic needs. Let's call this one a tie, shall we? Now, let's talk about flight time. Holystone promises 20 minutes with its two modular batteries. That's enough time to regret your life choices at least twice. But Heygelo, oh Heygelo, it gives you a whopping 26 minutes. That's 6 extra minutes to contemplate why you didn't become a pilot. Reviewers are generally pleased with the flight time of both drones, but Heygelo clearly takes this round with its longer battery life. Features. Holystone has altitude hold, headless mode, and mobile control with some fancy gestures. Wave your hand like you're in a bad sci-fi movie and boom, you've got a photo. But wait, Heygelo isn't far behind. It's got voice control, 360 degrees flips, and even VR mode. Fancy? If you're into feeling like a tech wizard, Heygelo's got your back. Reviewers find the Holystone to be packed with practical features, while the Heygelo impresses with its advanced functionalities. Lastly, ease of use. Holystone is like the training wheels of drones, perfect for beginners and kids. It's got altitude hold and headless mode to keep you from crashing into your mom's prized rose bushes. Heygelo, on the other hand, is like handing the keys to your 8-year-old nephew and hoping for the best. It's got propeller guards and is pretty user-friendly, but it's still a wild ride. Reviewers praise Holystone for its user-friendliness and stability, making it ideal for beginners. Heygelo, while also beginner-friendly, is seen as a bit more adventurous. Summarizing the reviews, the Holystone HS110D is praised for its stability, ease of use, and decent camera quality, making it a solid choice for beginners. On the other hand, the Heygelo S90 is appreciated for its affordability, longer flight time, and advanced features, though it may be a bit more challenging to handle for absolute beginners. There you have it, smart buyers. The Holystone HS110D and the Heygelo S90 have both brought their A game, but which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another epic showdown. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.